If you want to extend your laptop's battery life, limiting the charge to 80% is one of the best things you can do. In this video, I'll show you how to do it in Windows 11. Keeping your battery at 100% all the time can slowly reduce its lifespan. Many laptops allow you to set a charging limit, which helps reduce wear and keep your battery healthier over time. First, check if your laptop manufacturer supports battery charge limits. This setting is usually not built directly into Windows 11, but instead available through your laptop software. If you're using a Lenovo laptop, open the Lenovo Vantage app. Go to Device Settings, then Power, and enable Conservation Mode. This will limit charging to around 80%. For ASUS laptops, open the MyASUS app, go to Customization, and select Battery Health Charging. Then choose the mode that limits charging to 80%. If you're using an HP laptop, open HP Support Assistant, go to Battery Settings, and look for options like Battery Health Manager or Adaptive Charging. For Dell laptops, open Dell Power Manager, go to Battery Settings, and choose a custom charge limit or optimize battery mode. If your laptop doesn't have these options, you can check your BIOS or UEFI settings. Restart your computer, enter BIOS, and look for battery or power management settings that allow you to set a charge limit. Once enabled, your laptop will stop charging around 80%, helping reduce battery wear and extend its lifespan over time. If this helped, consider subscribing for more quick tech tips like this.